To insert table in Office Word on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, open Microsoft 365, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then find Microsoft 365. Next, select your Word document, for example this document, or you can create empty Word document. Okay, tap for example this document. Next, select location you want to add table, for example, tap edit icon, tap edit, and then you can select location you want, for example in here, and then tap up arrow icon, select up and down arrow icon, select insert, and then select table. Now you use insert table on your Word document. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.